Welcome to FunFlicks. Like and subscribe the channel.
Alex, a curious little boy, walked through a dense forest, his eyes wide with wonder. He stumbled upon a clearing and gasped when he saw a playful panda cub tumbling in the grass. The panda cub noticed Alex and stopped, tilting its head in curiosity. Alex slowly approached the panda, extending his hand with a friendly smile. The panda cub sniffed Alex's hand and then nuzzled against him, making Alex laugh. They played together, rolling and tumbling in the grass, sharing a moment of pure joy. As the sun began to set, Alex and the panda sat side by side, watching the sky turn orange and pink. With a final hug, Alex waved goodbye to his new friend and started his journey back home. The panda cub watched Alex leave, then went back to tumbling in the grass, happy to have made a new friend. Alex reached the edge of the forest, turning back one last time to smile at the clearing where he met the panda.